Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your own voice on TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application and I'm going to create a post on TikTok. We can click on this plus button to start creating a new post. And for instance guys, I'm going to upload photo from my gallery. I'm just going to upload this photo and then we can click on next. Okay, and if you want to add your own voice to TikTok, you can click on this little arrow and then you can scroll down a little bit until you find the voice option. Just tap on the voice. But before it, I'm going to remove the music from the TikTok suggestion and we can click on voice and then you can record your voice by tapping on this record button like this and then click on this button to start the recording. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, okay, and then after we have recorded our voice, we can click on done, and after that you will be able to apply voice filter to your voice. You can choose the voice filter that you like. For instance, I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to volume up and just wait until the process has completed. You have to wait until 100%.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video,
this is the voice I have just recorded.
Hey guys,
and then we
welcome
can
back
click
to
on
the
save.
channel. In this today's video,
Okay, and you can click on next, and once you're ready to share your TikTok post or TikTok video, you can click on post. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make your own voice on TikTok video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.